All right, everyone. We have this super amazing full English batch for CA Final AFM relevant for all the students having November 24 and onward attempts. Let me tell you a few things about this batch to make you people literally realize why is this batch one of the most special batches in English ever for the subject of AFM. First, the conceptual clarity. People in the class, this is the core mantra that we follow in all our classes, whether English, Hindi, whatever. The clarity with which we understand the core or the common sense behind the concept, through which you are able to easily understand the concept, and also it increases your confidence for the exam. Also, if you try to solve the question using that clarity, the question solving also become easy, which means we won't have to blindly run for question solving. And you know what is helping us in that? Our super unique concepts notes, everyone introducing to you the out notes. Out notes are super brilliant concepts notes. You know what? They are structured, they are unique in the sense that all the concepts have been explained in terms of tables, timelines, diagram, charts, and none of them have been in pure text, through which first, your learning become very effective on day one. Second, you are able to retain the things and your revision become easy through that. First quality. Second quality, everyone in the class, is the comprehensive coverage, which means what are you going to cover, you will have no doubt about it, in the sense that whatever needed concepts you should learn for the exam, you will learn it. Whatever needed questions you will have to do, you will learn from the outscanner. People in the class introducing to you the outscanner. Our super comprehensive question bank, which is a solved question bank actually, which has questions from all the exam papers, RTPs, MTPs, study material which is relevant from you. Third quality, the ease of revision. One of the most important thing people, student must realize, whatever quality I teach you with, but if I don't give you a material to revise, your life will be in trouble in the exam days, which is the part we solve in the class. People first, since outnotes is entirely in the form of structure, revision becomes very easy for you, first thing. Second, in the outscanner, which is a solved question bank, you have a QR code attached to every question. Just by scanning the QR code through the FAST app, you would be able to listen to the audio solution as many times as you want, which means your revision becomes very quick. Through the help of those audio solutions and YouTube video, you can touch the detailed points hidden in the question and concept through these content. Everyone in the class, these 3 points make the class literally very different and unique from all others. Let me quickly tell you about the books. You are going to receive, as you know now, 2 copies of the book. First, Outnotes, which will also have the concepts from theory chapters, and second, Outscanner, which will also have the MCQs for you, again from the board of study. Both the notes will be received by you in hard copy, where the Outnotes will be the colored one, as you can see on the screen. Let me now tell you the approach with which we will prepare. This live batch, everyone, is going to be for 200 hours, in which we will obviously learn all the concepts and write them down in the outnotes. After that, we are going to solve the most difficult, tricky, important 60-70% questions in the class, and rest of the 30% easy repetitive questions you will have to do in the homework. Now, those questions that we will do in the class, what is going to be the approach? Let me transparently tell you. Sir, certain questions we will do in the class in a written manner, so that you also get a comfort over it and the command over presentation. But after those questions are done, we will then solve the questions on the calculator, which means in this batch, you are going to understand all the question in detail with complete clarity. But when it will come to solving them, certain we will do in the written format, but then after that we will try to solve all the questions in a very detailed stepwise manner on the calculator itself. We are starting on 12th of June. The timings are going to be for 4 hours every day for 5 days a week from Monday to Friday, and the timings will be 8 AM to 12 PM everyone. So all other details, if you want, you have to stay tuned to the Telegram channel and the YouTube channel. The links are in details. Also, if you want to buy the lecture, the link for that is there in the description.